Welcome to Anaheim, California, USA, also known as the heart of Orange County. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love Anaheim.
I was just a labor back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Anaheim, California, USA. Population around 350,000. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled Anaheim. Anaheim is 40 minutes from Los Angeles. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love Anaheim. People love Anaheim because of Disneyland Resort. The top attraction of Anaheim also happens to be the happiest place on earth. The combination of Disneyland Park and the adjacent Disney California Adventure Park create Disneyland Resort of Anaheim, a truly magical place for children to explore. Among the many places to visit within the resort, Tomorrowland is always a favorite, featuring classic attractions like Space Mountain. People love Anaheim because of the Anaheim Packing District. South of the downtown district, in the heart of the city, the Anaheim Packing District offers a modern experience within historic architecture, encompassing 3 National Historic Landmarks, including a former Packard car dealership and a marmalade factory. These spaces now offer culinary creation and open spaces for the public to enjoy. Within the Packard District, Farmers Park is a beautifully landscaped green space and garden with a scenic boardwalk. People love Anaheim because of Angel Stadium. Home to the Los Angeles Angels of the American League West, some would argue the happiest place on earth is Angel Stadium come sundown during a home baseball game. Home games are a great time for the whole family or casual sports fan with affordable tickets available. Stadium fans can participate in public tours of the grounds between March and September. People love Anaheim because of the Honda Center. Home to the Anaheim Ducks of the National Hockey League, this indoor arena is jam-packed with fun during the hockey seasons. Tickets to games are budget-friendly. Outside of the hockey games, the Honda Center schedule is also filled with other sporting events, including professional wrestling and USA basketball. Nationally touring concerts also fill the seats of the Honda Center throughout the year, as well as comedy shows, festival events, and child-friendly performances. People love Anaheim because of the Anaheim Gardenwalk. Near the gates of Disneyland Resort, the Anaheim Gardenwalk is a pedestrian-friendly entertainment district filled with shopping and dining experiences. Encompassing 430,000 square acres in the Anaheim Resort District, familiar restaurants like P.F. Chang and the Cheesecake Factory can be found on the Garden Walk, as well as regional favorites like Johnny Rockets and Grasslands Meat Market. Many of the best hotels in Anaheim are also located nearby. The staple of the Garden Walk is the House of Blues Anaheim. People love Anaheim because of Yorba Regional Park. A mile-long linear park in eastern Anaheim, Yorba Regional Park is a popular spot for all types who like to get outdoors. Winding bike paths navigate the length of this 140-acre landscape space, looping around a series of 4 lakes that are a favorite for the resident ducks and other wildlife. Numerous features like volleyball nets, playgrounds, horseshoe pits, and over 400 picnic tables punctuate the green space and provide extra things to do. People love Anaheim because of Knott's Berry Farm. Filled with roller coasters, water slides, and a local backstory, Knott's Berry Farm has grown into one of the best amusement and theme parks in California. In combination with Knott's Soak City Water Park, Knott's Berry Farm enabled multitude days of family fun. Musical shows, ghost towns, and unique dining experience round out the other fun at Knott's Berry Farm, as well as Knott's Summer Night Celebration featuring live music and food trucks. People love Anaheim because of Center Street Promenade. A hip city street near the historic downtown Carnegie Library, the Center Street Promenade is filled with boutiques, local eateries, and luxurious lofts. This is a great pathway for afternoon strolling. Places like the Hummus Bean offer casual fare and comfortable seating, and for evening entertainment, restaurants like Pura Vida provide even more flavor to enjoy. People love Anaheim because of the Museo, Museum, and Cultural Center. Housed within the historic downtown Carnegie Library, this museum and cultural center shares the history and creative expression of the region with impressive displays. Admission is free to the Carnegie Gallery of the museum, which features an eye-catching walk-through history of Anaheim. Regional artworks rotate through the other galleries of the museum, and the brick facade of the historic building is an exhibit to appreciate on its own. People love Anaheim because of City National Grove. Near Angel Stadium and the Santa Ana River, this event center and performance space features state-of-the-art lighting and sound alongside an intimate 1,700-seat setting. City National Grove brings in some of the biggest and best names in entertainment, with Prince, Ray Charles, and Stevie Nicks gracing the stage in the past. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Anaheim. If you've got a reason why you love Anaheim, pop it in the comments section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!